That's not surprising at all. I mean, the regional scene in most countries.
That's a rightful #1 contender.
Oh! Just like Robert Whittaker did.
Oh, there you go. Check it out. After, of course, you've watched fight.
Fighting, dragging that arm down. Oh, that's the one there. You heard the throat there. You know, he really got...
Your winner by unanimous decision, Assu Алмабаев.
Crack each other's open. Ooh, that was nice.
Straight fights plus Rose Namajunas and Aaron Blanchfield in a critical flyweight bout. The entire night is on ESPN Plus main card.
And how good he is. Now, whether that's true or not.
Oh! Алмабаев connected.
Just
now
as I say that.
Well, they both traded shots, but now he's in a real tough position.
Finally able to return to his feet, but with too little, too late as the clock expires.
Your winner by unanimous decision, Assu Алмабаев.
For Vergara here tonight, he is in the red trunks. Алмабаев is in black.
This stand became the place for all the fighters in wrestling. In fact, with Алмабаев just immediately drives into him.
Of that Ode Osborne performance, despite the fact that he left with a submission win and a bonus.
Wow.
Oh, nice shot.
Wow. Beautiful shot. This guy knows how to build a game plan, and when you're in a gym like there is, he becomes the focus. So they got to do it. Oh, good job by... Oh!
For the winner, by unanimous decision, Assu Алмабаев.
That one. Ooh!
Алмабаев.
Oh, she has one finish by Peruvian necktie.
That's a clean entry. He's in deep with the body lock, inside trip. Down he goes.
Nice job by Osborne to get wrist control, but now looks like a good attempt here.
He's got the chin in there, so he can break the jaw here if he gets the angle right. But right now, Osborne's pretty... Oh, there it is. That's the jaw.
Алмабаев by submission. Get used to hearing that.
Declaring the winner by submission due to a rear naked choke, Assu Алмабаев.